What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Divine Locks before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Divine Locks works. What is Divine Locks? Divine Locks is a natural supplement designed to facilitate the restoration of healthy, thicker, and more youthful hair. This formula caters to individuals who have experienced rapid hair loss, particularly as a result of weight loss, and wish to naturally rejuvenate their hair without any associated side effects. Divine Locks is crafted from a selection of natural ingredients, each of which possesses scientifically proven health properties that support robust hair growth. The unique composition of Divine Locks addresses the root cause of hair loss, a process linked to the pinching of dermal papillae cells responsible for hair growth as individuals age. The supplement's primary function is to unpinch these cells, thereby promoting the restoration of healthy hair growth. Notably, Divine Locks hair growth support formula is 100% natural and is manufactured under stringent and sterile conditions to ensure a safe and high-quality supplement, prioritizing the well-being of those who use it. Who can benefit from using Divine Locks supplement? Hair loss is a prevalent and concerning issue, particularly for women in their middle and later years. If you find yourself in this category and have explored various creams and oils without success in halting hair loss, Divine Locks may be a valuable solution. This supplement is designed to work from within, addressing the underlying factors contributing to hair loss. Furthermore, Divine Locks is not only for those seeking to restore their hair but also for individuals who wish to proactively prevent future hair loss. It offers a comprehensive approach to hair health and can be beneficial for a wide range of individuals dealing with hair-related concerns. Divine Locks ingredients. Biotin. Biotin is an ingredient that is popularly used by many people because of its health properties promoting hair health. Studies show that biotin can prevent hair thinning and loss. Biotin also makes your hair thicker. Besides this, the ingredient also enhances your skin health. Grapeseed extract. Grapeseed extract is rich in proanthocyanidins, which is a scientifically proven ingredient that promotes hair growth by 230%. The ingredient supports the growth of full and voluminous hair. This Divine Locks ingredient also helps with dandruff and dry scalp. Noriaki extract. Noriaki extract is a highly potent seaweed that offers various hair health benefits. The ingredient promotes healthy regrowth of your hair and reduces hair loss. Noriaki extract also helps with frizzy hair and brittle hair shafts. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is an ingredient that has numerous hair and skin health benefits. The ingredient supports regrowth of hair, resulting in thick and full hair on your scalp. Hyaluronic acid also keeps your hair hydrated and helps with dry scalp. Selenium. Selenium is considered an effective ingredient for treating hair loss. The ingredient supports hair growth by strengthening your hair follicles and preventing hair fall. Selenium also helps in managing oxidative stress, which may be the reason for rapid hair loss in some people. Gotukola. Gotukola is a herb in the parsley family that prevents hair fall and strengthens your hair follicles. The ingredient also provides you with nutrients that support healthy hair growth. Gotukola also smoothens your hair and avoids frizzings. Besides these ingredients, the Divine Locks hair rejuvenation formula contains bladderwrack, wacum, methylsulfonylmethane, L-methionine, alpha-lipoic acid, and astaxanthin.